Question number 1. Percentage of DNA in bacterial cell is 1%. Question number 2. Skeleton or organic compound is formed by carbon-carbon bond. Question number 3. Percentage of water in bone cells is 20%. Percentage of water in brain cells is 70%. Question number 5. Major source of carbohydrate is green plants. Question number 6. Sweetest of carbohydrates are monosaccharides. Question number 7. Ribofurannose is a straight chain ribose. Question number 8. Percentage of glucose in blood is 0.04%. Question number 9. The bond present in oligosaccharide is glycosidic bond. Question number 10. Number of carbon atoms in cane sugar are 22. Question number 11. Highest molecule weight containing carbohydrate is cellulose. Question number 12. Abundance of glycogen is found in liver. Question number 13. Chains of amino acid are held together in insulin by peptide bond. Question number 14. Minimum types of tRNA found in a cell are 20. Question number 15. Regulation of gene expression is performed by nucleoprotein. Question 1. The study of chemical processes in a living body is called biochemistry. Water constitutes -% of the protoplasm, 70 to 90%. All the living organisms are made up of organic and inorganic compounds, both A and B. Question 4. The biochemicals which form living body contain 6 elements. Question number 5. The element which act as reducing agent in photosynthesis is hydrogen. Question number 6. Both bacterial and mammalian cells contain equal % of water. Question number 7. The chemical reactions which occur in living body are collectively called as metabolism. Question number 8. Which of the statement about water is incorrect? Statement number D. Question number 9. The bacterial cell contains higher concentration of DNA. Question number 10. In organic molecules, the bonding between hydrogen and carbon is covalent.
Question number 11. The synthesis of macromolecules is called condensation. Question number 12. All of them are polymers except glucose. Question number 13. The joining of two monomers is called condensation. Question number 14. The breakdown of polymer is called hydrolysis. Question number 15. The bond between carboxylic acid and alcohol is ester. Question number 16. Carbon combines with nitrogen in amino acid linkage to form peptide bond. Question number 17. The total number of amino acids found in protein is 20. Question number 18. The three-dimensional structure of protein is called tertiary. Question number 19. The unbranched polysaccharide is cellulose. Question number 20. Polysaccharide contains glycosidic bond. Question number 21. The term lipid was proposed by Blower. Question number 22. Lipids can be dissolved by alcohol, acetone and ether, all of them. Question number 23. A molecule of acyl glycerol produced. Option number B. Question number 24. The solid form of fatty acid is found in animals. Question 25. Lipids have fatty acid forming ester bond with long chain alcohol is called waxes. Question 26. Properties of cell membrane depends upon phospholipids. Question number 27. Lipids which contain an isoprenoid unit is called terpenoids. Question 28. Human sex hormones are classified as steroids. Question 29. Rubber is synthesized by terpenes. Question number 30. Nucleic acid is a polymer of nucleotides. Question number 31. Nitrogenous bases found in DNA but absent in RNA is thymine. Question number 32. In RNA, thymine is replaced by uracil. Question 33. When ATP is converted into ADP, the amount of energy is released is 7.3 kilocalorie per mole.